Let's talk about the 4 tech skills that you need in 2024, even if you are not a techie. So hi guys, if you're just joining us, my name is Zainab Soleil and I am the host of Python Design Studio, a tech channel that is all about tech and web design. One of the 4 tech skills that you need in 2024 that would elevate you from here to here, that would take you from anyhow to pro to bougie. One of the 4 tech skills, I will tell you, and I'm not going to waste your time. All I need is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes of your time. And if it makes sense to you, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We're a new channel and we're just giving you stuff that we've had in our blog for years. And so don't be stingy with that like and subscribe. You're only going to get quality here. So one of the first 4 tech skills you need. The first one is AI. AI is everywhere. It's even annoying. Like, here AI. But that's because you're allowing it to annoy you. If you want to tap into the secret that is artificial intelligence, I think you should start using it. I think you should start learning how to use it. I think you should start positioning yourself that, okay, this is a tech skill that I do not want to miss. So as technology continues to evolve, staying ahead of the curve is extremely essential for you if you want to thrive and you want to elevate yourself. So you might be a student, you might be somebody in level 10, level 15, level 20, whatever position you are in. Don't say you're watching one YouTube video. I genuinely use AI for my life. I have made income from using AI. I have put together a proposal that has gotten me some serious income using AI. So trust me when I tell you, AI is a skill you want to learn. How do we find AI? I think you can use AI for things like setting your calendar up, setting reminders. Let AI do the small tasks that you go and have time to do the big tasks. That's the way I see it. Of course, AI is not perfect. Of course, AI is not right all the time. It's a machine. A machine cannot be smarter than you. There are facts and figures. But one thing that a machine can be is efficient than you. A machine does not get tired. A machine does not need to sleep. So why don't you use it? Be the Lord and Master of the machine. I don't even need to tell you what AI can do. You have seen it yourself. How do you get started learning AI? Start using tools that use AI. There are so many. We are working on a video that will share the top 10 tools of artificial intelligence. But I can give you a few from my head. There is Perplexity AI. There is ChatGPT. There's even the one that draws. So search, use YouTube, find it. But please, don't abuse AI. Embrace it, learn it. It's going to really help you. And the next tool I want to say that is going to help you, the next skill that is going to help you in 2024 and 25 and 26 and 27, God keeping us alive and well, is cybersecurity. With the increasing number of cyber threats and data breaches, cybersecurity is more critical than ever. Companies across the globe are investing heavily in protecting their data and infrastructure from cyber attacks. As a result, cybersecurity professionals are in high demand. If you learn cybersecurity, they will be looking for you. There are definitely several exams that you will need to write for you to be sought after. I think there is a CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. That one is very necessary. Then there's CISSP, Certified Information System Security Professional. Those 2 are very valued. And knowing how to identify vulnerabilities and implement security measures will make you invaluable wherever you're working. Apart from for work, you don't need to be a cybersecurity expert to handle your personal life. Please keep your information safe. In a world where cyber threats are everywhere, knowing how to protect your data is crucial. Everything with this online, bank, social media, everything like your passwords, everything. And being aware of how to handle these things will keep your personal information safe. How do you get started? I think just learn. I have several friends who are hackers. That's how I learned, and that has really helped me in the business that I run, which is this one. And I have been able to unhack a lot of sites that our clients have faced by reason of knowing how to do these things. It's not necessarily a skill for work, it's a skill for your own personal self. Learn to recognize phishing scams, which often appear as fake emails or messages trying to steal your information. Use strong passwords. Please don't reuse passwords. Please use strong passwords. Consider a password manager. I'm not a fan of password managers, but they do their work. They're okay. They're fine. They're not enabled two-factor authentication. People don't do it. And then you just wonder, hey, I was hacked. Hey, I was hacked. How else? Why would they hack you? It's not like there are no ways to circumvent two-factor authentication, but at least have it first now. Have it first. And then what's our number 3 tech skill for 2024? Digital literacy. Digital literacy is more than just knowing how to use a computer. It's about understanding how to use various online tools and platforms effectively. You're not just navigating the whole internet web space. Not just Facebook, Twitter, or Facebook X and TikTok is the problem. It's knowing how to handle yourself on those platforms. You can find your way around the internet if you know how the internet works. This is one of our favorite courses to offer during our training sessions at Pishon Design Studio. We will always teach you digital literacy. So if you're interested in that, please don't forget to send an email. With tools like Zoom, Slack, Microsoft Teams becoming essential for work, knowing how these platforms work can effectively improve your productivity and collaboration. Being digitally literate also means understanding how to protect yourself online. It includes recognizing phishing emails, creating strong passwords, and knowing the basics of online privacy. So how do you learn digital literacy? Give us a shout out at Pishon Design Studio. Reach out to us, we'll teach you. And set up accounts and join online communities and try out different digital tools in your daily life. Then finally, the 4th tech skill you need to learn in 2024 is web design. Of course, you know I was going to say web designer. We're a web design company, and web design has changed the scale and plan of Pishon. So definitely Pishon is a product of what I'm telling you. So web design is more accessible than you may think. It is an incredibly valuable skill, whether you want to build a personal blog, showcase a portfolio, or start a business website. You can have a personal website that can serve as an online resume or portfolio, or a blog, and it can help you in your job searches. AI is built on a website, so you're going to a website to check AI. You're going to a website to check cybersecurity. You're going to a website to learn digital literacy. So obviously, web design is the biggest of all 4 because YouTube is a website. Without no website, how is information passed? I don't want to say too much. Like I said, this video is not to waste your time or waste my own time either. It's just to pass across great tips like this. And before I conclude, if you have received value, we're a new channel. I don't know how many times you want me to say it. Brand new channel, but not a brand new company. So please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. You can also check us out on PishonDesigns.org, because that's where the beauty of all these articles are coming from. These 4 tech skills, AI, digital literacy, cybersecurity, and web design, can greatly enhance your daily life. You should start exploring them now. Don't wait till tomorrow, because tomorrow there might be another technology and you would have missed out on this 4. Thank you for joining us at Pishon Design Studio, and I will see you in the next video.